Hey, I'm doing some yard work, man. The mobile's up under the palm tree, man. It's ready to go. They got me in. Oh, Fido Radio? Fido Radio. I'm doing some yard work, I see.
Yeah, Roger, on that, my good friend, you're doing some yard work, no doubt about it. And that cat big mobile's under the palm tree. You know, I heard you. I did, no doubt. And I was sitting back here thinking the last time I talked to you, no doubt about it, with that cat big base killing mobile. That's what happened. So take care. Go and finish your cat big yard work. We will talk with you again. The man behind the $5 radio here in Texas back listening.
I'm gonna go become a... Ooh, you're big out of here. I'm on Fido Radio. Finish your yard work up. I got about another 3 hours to go. It take me about 5 hours to clean this island up, man. But it's all good, no everybody. But on Fido Radio, I got 3 hours to go. Balls in the backyard. Bye, bye, bye.
Balls in the backyard. 3 hours to go. Good gracious alive. You got a monster of a yard, sounds like. Boss sure do. Okay, dokie, might find Boss. Take care, man. She's I know you're going to enjoy that mobile whenever you get out there with it and have time for it. That's for Cat Big is sure. That Cat Big was strolling last time I talked to you. That's for sure. No doubt about that. Put it on you later. Balls, backyard. $5 radio here in Texas back listening.
Appreciate it, $5 radio. We're going to do a few more changes, man. We're going to take them 270s off, man. We're going to put 320s on, man. You know, get it over with, man. And we're going to take the 270s off. We're going to put 320s on. The mobile not doing the house. And the mobile, you can let it go. Gotta be nibbly friendly on his house. Not nobody. But when I heard Fido Radio, say my say, I'm going to say, hey, hey, hey. Fido Radio in Texas. Balls, backyard. Bye, bye, bye.
270 off, 320 on. The 270, they coming off. Them Cat Big got to go. And they're going to put them Cat Big 320s on. Good gracious alive. Well, you know what, Boss, you know, I used to be in the movie, and I know exactly what you're doing. That's the Cat Big show. And it's going to be rough. Sure is. Hey, Boss, it's going to be rough. On the transmit side, on the boys. Sure enough. Take care, Boss. Sounded good. Take care of my good friend, Boss. Backyard. Click, click.
The guy can tie you up.
Well, somebody tried to come up in there, but Boss, you made it rough on. Somebody tried to come up in there. All right, Boss, let me get out here. I'm sitting back here reading the mail. That's the Cat Big sure. Boss, me and this $5 radio reading the mail.
That DSC takes, man. I don't even never think about it, man. I'm calling.
Hello, 456. 456. I'm trying to scratch right back. Come on.
560-560-560. Hello, it's Cabo 560, St. Petersburg, Florida. Let's ride.
560. I want to ride. I sure do. 560. 560. What's going on, man? What's popping in your neck of the woods? 560. Come on.
Now that the sun's shining real bright, Lee Campbell with the curtains looking real good, no doubt. Oh, the top. Did you hear what I just said about my bikini step out?
Hey, Roger's on. Roger's on the halter tops. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. 560, that for Cat Big show. The sun shining really bright. And you doing your thing on the other end. That's for Cat Big show. 560, Florida, $5 radio in Texas. Get down.
Go there, $5 radio. That Cat Big sounding really good down here in St. Petersburg, no doubt. You get down there, man. Just put it down here to St. Petersburg, and I'll let you hear how it sounds. Stop, John. I like to love you, Cat Big. I boil the culture until then. What about it? Hello, Stop, John, Texas. Have a good day, you and the family. Stop, John, Texas. I gotta get out of here.
At 560-800, old balls, Mothballs coming in. He talking to somebody, no doubt about it, but they kind of get my ears pinned down, sure do. Boss talking to somebody over here in my neck of the woods. Someone ears to the side on his end, no doubt about it. And it'll be a while, 560. It'll be a while before I get down there to Florida. That's a Cat Big show. It's going to be a minute, no doubt. Put it on you later. 560. Pensacola, $5 radio here in Texas. Getting down.
Excuse the ladies on that Cat Big in here. Radio Texas, Balls, Texas, got to go. Bye-bye.
Yeah, Roger's on that balls on there, Boss. But I tell you what, dog, you sounded good. 560 Balls got my ears pinned down. That's for Cat Big show, no doubt. Take care, Boss. I know you got some more yard work to go. That's for Cat Big show, 2 hours. You know how to get that big and done for the sun to go down. That's for Cat Big show. Take care, Boss. Take care of 560 if you still got a couple down there around Pensacola, Florida. $5 radio here in Texas. Back listening.
Hey, $5 radio, St. Petersburg, Florida. $5 radio. What's the video? St. Petersburg, Florida. Let's go. That's so cool. That's about 600 miles on my front door, man. That's about 700 miles on my front door, man. I ain't got no business scratching nobody in the back. 700 miles away. On the low side of this fat boy. Great day. $5 radio. Bye, bye, bye.
You say it's 700 miles? You're 700 miles away? You ain't got no business scratching? Yeah, I heard you on the low side of that cat making a boy, that's for sure. All right, my good friend, ticket 100, ticket 560. I think he said St. Petersburg, Florida. Maybe St. Petersburg, Florida, he said. Ticket 1-800. $5 radio here in Texas. Back in there.
Well, there you have, man. He in the Gulf. Got his seat in the Gulf, man. You know, over there in St. Petersburg, they do a lot of cheating, man. They want to go down in the ground. They got to be in the Gulf. You know, the ground, they in the Gulf. He got to come in the ground. Nobody. I took on myself the inside out of here. I must want to get back out here and finish his yard. I'm trying to find excuses, but I ain't. Bye, bye, bye.
Well, I tell you what, that mic is one real good excuse. Ain't no doubt about that, that's for sure. You're having fun and entertaining yourself, no doubt about it, and having fun with it, that's what got to be sure. Yeah, that 2 hours of work on that yard, doggone, I do understand that's got to be sure, no doubt about it. But you're going to have to run. That's what you're going to have to do. 1-800. You just might have to drop it and run. Take care. 1-800 $5 radio here in Texas. Back listening.
Hey, $5 radio, tell him drop it like it's hot. Hey, $5 radio, tell him 560 to drop it like it's hot. $5 radio, 560 class.
560, he didn't key, ain't no doubt about it, man. I guarantee you, shoot, that's for sure. But take care, 560, man. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Enjoy the rest of the week that's coming up. 560, $5 radio over here in Texas. Back listening.
Well, there, $5 radio. Take care, pass 11 Kevin Chateau. Tell them all I did stop by. $5 radio, 560, a.k.a. Rifleman downtown, St. Petersburg, Florida. Got down.
St. Petersburg, downtown, St. Petersburg, Florida. Sometimes a.k.a. Rifleman. You know, I heard you what you said. I sure did, no doubt. Take care, 560, St. Petersburg, Florida. $5 radio here in Texas. I'm back listening.
And I'll see you, all my exes live in Texas. I'll see you.
All of them? I guarantee told you, you can probably missing 2 or 3 of them. 560, I'll see.
Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Hey, $5 radio, where's your mouth? I'm gone now, bye.
Rogers on that. Take care, 560. My pleasure. 560, $5 radio here in Texas. Getting down.
All you said was all I heard. Hey, big dog, 12 days said I keep. Cause all you said, take care, worldwide, swamp dog, statewide, the big dog in the swamp. Mr. 12 Gauge in the G-Wash. And I'll get back with you, bye.
Good gracious, line can't be. You sure you want to buy the radio?
Hey, Bobby, you bumping it down. Ain't no doubt about that.
Well, I tell you what, doggone, if that's something, doggone, shoot, I'm going to have to doggone do something with this $5 radio.
No, you ain't got to do nothing, Cat Ringer. You don't have to do nothing. You ain't did nothing about spending $5 and you're doing what you're doing now, Roger.
You're right, boy, on that ball. You're right, too. I forgot you said. I ain't going to do nothing different, man. It is what it is. Ball that 410.
Yeah, Roger, that. Okay, I heard you, man. I was on a double in, but I'm finna go watch this game. The Buccaneers about to start. I didn't know if you could hear this so bad for the radio, man. I got to change the coax up. Turn the coax up, man. $5 radio, I don't deal with no balls. pull it out.
You're going to change the course. You're going to change the course. You're going to watch the Tampa Bay. You're going to watch them kind of big Buccaneers, no doubt about it, man. I heard you. I did. Ball showed up. Take care of Ball, man. He's always a player, man. I can remember, doggone, when you had that cat be about 10 feet off the ground. Take care of Ball in Florida. $5 radio here in Texas, getting down.
Good memory, Cat Nigga. The time has flew by, man. Time has flown by. $5 radio, you always sound good. I'll be there to you.
Appreciate it. You know I appreciate that. Sure do, Ball, no doubt about it. But I'm one of these little boys over here, and I'm always trying harder, Ball. I sure am, no doubt about it, man. I guarantee you. Take care of Ball, man. Go do what you got to do, man. Enjoy the game. I'm going to do likewise on my end. Show here. It ain't going to be the Buccaneers and the Saints, though. That's for sure. Take care of Ball. $5 radio over here in Texas, getting down.
I understand.
When I watch basketball, watching the game, he need to practice on the game. When the basketball come around, you don't know nothing about no kind of football or anything. You better practice on basketball. He call himself a ball. What kind of ball? Fat ball? Gas ball? What kind of ball?
Well, 1-800, you got me on the floor over here. 1-800, you got me on the you got me on the floor over here, Captain. You sure do. I got it on Watergate. I sure do, no doubt. I guarantee you. Take care, 1-800. I'll see.
Oh, you big fuck.
Don't do me a favor one day, man. I'll give you my address. Send me a work. I ain't never heard how this station sound. I hope it sound all right. Your satisfaction. I'll just check over the seal. I'm ducking this heat. I'm in and out now. Taking a acidification break, I see.
You're right. If you got access to a computer, if you got access to you got access to a computer, my goodness, good gracious alive. Oh, good gracious alive. Shoot, I'm trying to think now. OTT $5 radio. YouTube. OTT $5 radio. Go to YouTube. OTT $5 radio. Go to YouTube. OTT $5 radio. And that's all in words. $5 radio is all in words. That's for sure. OTT $5 radio. And I'm going to try to get it posted tonight. I'll see you.
Yeah, food there. Well, I got a couple of friends got access to a computer, so I probably get old Killer B to do it for me. I'm old school, I gotta learn that stuff. I just ain't had time to take. If I take time, I'll learn it real fast. No doubt about that. Well, OTT $5 radio, YouTube, right.
You got it. You definitely got it. There's no doubt about it. Oh, good gracious life. Well, you still got me on the floor here. Take care, 1-800. I'm gonna let you go. Take care of basketball. Take care of the rest of the good time games. The man behind the $5 radio, OTT, with this $5 radio here in Texas, coming to the boot too.
He better watch the football club. He can't play no basketball. I ain't never seen this kind of King Dumb. He doing it right now. He better take another profession. Oh no, he better be an umpire. He don't set him trying no football. Can't play no basketball. He better be a referee, I see.
Roger's on that 1-800, no doubt about it. I guarantee you. Oh, 100 the Cat, you a mess, no doubt about it. Yeah, I tell you what, I know one thing. There ain't no yard work the rest of the day. Take care of 1-800, click. start the year early, but I ain't had no condition with 150. Click, click.
There's a Apollo radio pilot. There's a 150. I'm out at 150. Florida, we're trying.
Yeah, Roy, 14, what you trying? Take care 150, it got rough again. Minus $5 radio, pull it out. Yeah, Roy was on that 150 while you sitting there reading the mail and that other operator. A great week also. So yeah, great rest of the weekend and a great week coming up. $5 radio. I'm going to the kitchen. Click, click.
Old Chainsaw, Unit 321 here in Palm Bay, Florida.
Yeah, I heard that on Palm Bay. $5 radio, 10 cents.
Hey, Roger, you have a fine one. Unit 321, Palm Bay, Florida.
You likewise. Take care, 221. 221, Palm Bay, Florida. $5 radio over here in Texas, getting down.
East Coast of Florida.
East Coast of Florida. $5 radio. 40 miles south of Houston. 35 miles north of Galveston, Texas. Minus $5 radio, going to the kitchen. Click, click.
Chainsaw, you got a copy on Mecco?
If you make the hookup with him, tell Chainsaw I got something for him, but he ain't gonna like it. Minus $5 radio, going to the kitchen.